Hold up.
How deep can we go?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you one of my favorite pre-shampoo treatments, and these are the oils that I will be using. So first up is Jamaican black castor oil, which contains a fatty acid that dilates the blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to be delivered to the hair follicle, which helps to promote growth. It's also great for locking in moisture, adding shine and promoting scalp health. Next up is coconut oil, which easily absorbs into the internal structure of the hair and helps to reduce protein loss during washing. This in turn helps to protect the hair from high growth fatigue. It's also able to nourish the hair from within and provide antimicrobial benefits. Next is olive oil, which I love because it's accessible and affordable. This is another oil which is able to penetrate the hair shaft, and it helps to soften the hair, reduce frizz and breakage. So those are my 3 carrier oils, and next I love to add essential oils. So I really love eucalyptus oil because it stimulates the hair follicles and thereby promotes hair growth. I also love tea tree oil because it works in a similar way and it helps to treat any itchiness of the scalp and provides antimicrobial properties. Always remember to dilute any essential oils in a carrier oil. So this is the oil dispenser that I recently purchased from Amazon. I absolutely love it because it allows you to dispense the oil directly onto your hair, minimizes all the mess that you can get with oil treatments, and it also helps you not to waste products. So really love this. I'll leave the link for this in the description box below. So first I started with 2 tablespoons of each carrier oil. However, I quickly realized that this wouldn't be enough to fill the 90ml bottle. So I decided to put 4 tablespoons of each carrier oil and 5 drops of each essential oil. It's really important that you dilute any essential oils in a carrier oil. Never apply essential oils directly to the scalp because this can be very irritating to your scalp. So always make sure you look it up to see how many drops of essential oil you should be adding to your carrier oils. And this will all depend on the strength of the solution that you want to make. So I've placed a chart here on the screen to give you a guide of how you can actually go about the dilution process.
We already gave in, so what? Baby, it hurts.
After I've finished my initial mixing, I place a jar into another container of hot water, and this allows me to really ensure that the coconut oil fully dissolves. And then I let the oil mixture sit for around 5 to 10 minutes just so it's heated up. So when removing the jar from the jug, just make sure that you have a towel or a glove because the glass is obviously going to be hot and you don't want to cause any burns. So now I'm just going to transfer the mixture into my oil dispenser. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's really dry and tangled and definitely in need of a wash with shampoo. So I love to do these pre-shampoo treatments because it helps to soften my hair, make it more supple, and gets me ready for the shampoo process because it makes my hair easier to detangle. It also gives my hair nourishment as well. So before I apply the oil, I love to spritz my hair with some water just to get it a little bit damp, not soaking wet. And this makes it easier for the oil to soak into my hair. So now it's time to apply the pre-shampoo treatment. So I divide my hair into 6 sections and apply a couple of pumps to each section and really use my hands to work the product through. So I use a combination of smoothing the product through with my palms and squeezing it into my hair strands, and I make sure that I apply product to the ends and smooth that in as well, and then I twist it up and move on to the next section.
We already gave in. I'm so alive, baby, I'm so alive.
So after I've finished twisting all of my hair, I just clip all the sections out of the way. And this is how much oil I've actually used, about 40 mils. So I have enough left back for the following wash day. And now I just apply my shower cap, and I love to sit under my hooded dryer for 20 minutes. And I found that I get the maximum benefits when I use heat with any of my oil or deep conditioning treatments, because my hair is low porosity, and what that means is that the cuticle lays quite tightly to the hair strand. So once you use heat, this allows the cuticle to be raised and therefore better penetration or absorption of the products. And this is what my hair looks like after I have finished the treatment. So as you can see, it's nice and fluffy, it's shiny, and I'm ready now to go on to my wash day routine. So after this, I would shampoo, deep condition, and then moisturize and style my hair for the week. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Give me a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It really helps my channel out so that YouTube can rank this video higher up so more people can see this content. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscription button just down below, and also turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified of whenever I post new videos. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.